Hello children, happy morning to everyone. I hope you all finish your home fun, isn't it? Okay children, let me move to today's session. What we want to see children, everyone take your studio. Take page number 44 children. Page number 44. Now we are going to see the activity 3.9. See, everyone take page number 44 in your studio. Take your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay children? Now we are going to see the activity 3.9. Everyone keep your finger and read along with me children. Okay? Draw objects and add the given numbers. One has been done for you. We want to draw the objects for the given numbers. One they have already done in the first example, isn't it? See the A question, number 6 and number 3. They have drawn 6 circles and 3 circles. And then they are putting together. One example they have given. Now we are going to do the B question. See here. B question now we are going to do. What is the first number children? 2. Any object you can draw. Now I am going to draw stars. 1, 2. 2 stars I have drawn. Here what is the number? 4. Superb children. 4. And now I am going to draw 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many stars are there? We want to count and write in this below dash. See here. Totally how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. 2 plus 4 is 6. You want to write here 6. Do you all understood children? See the next page. C and D question is there. See the number C question. What is the first number? 1. Here I am going to draw 1 ball. Any object you can draw children. See what is the next number? 9. I am going to draw 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 balls I have drawn children. Count all the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally how many balls are there? 10 balls. 1, 0, 10. 10 balls are there. See, I have done B question and C question. You do the D sum. Okay children, with the help of your parents, you can do the D sum. Now we are going to see the next activity. See, keep your finger. Money has 4 toy cars. See here one boy is there. That boy name is Money. That boy has 4 toy cars. Count children, count how many toys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many toy cars are there? 4 toy cars. See here. Abhi wants to play but has no toy cars. See here, Abhi wants to play but that boy has no toy cars. 0 toy cars. Money shares his toy cars with Abhi. See here, Money shares the toy cars with Abhi. Money and Abhi are sharing the toy cars. How many toys do they have together? How many toys do they have together? We want to count and show. Okay children, see here. Money has 4 toy cars. Abhi has 0 toy cars. 4. Mani has 4 toy cars. That number 4. Plus we want to put together. Plus Abhi has 0 toy cars. That's why here we are noted down 0. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. See here 4 plus 0 equal to the number 4. Totally how many cars are there? Only 4 cars because Mani has 4 cars. Abhi has 0 cars. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. See here children. Jo's plant is flowering. She collects flowers from the plant every day. She writes the number of flowers in her diary. Do you all have planting the tree in your home children? Super. Here Jo's plant is flowering. Jo's plant, that plant is flowering every day. On Monday how many flowers are there? See here pink color flower. 1 flower. How many flowers on Monday? 1 flower. Number of flowers? Number of flowers? 1. On Monday how many flowers children? 1 flower. See on Tuesday? 1, 2, 3. See that pink color flowers. Can you able to see that? 3 pink flowers. On Tuesday 3 flowers are there. See here Wednesday. On Wednesday, is there any flowers? No, that's why here 0. Number of flowers 0. On Thursday, count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers children? 4 flowers. Number of flowers equal to 4. On Thursday, 4 flowers. By Thursday, her plant has given her 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 flowers. See on Monday 1 flower. On Tuesday 3 flower. Wednesday 0. Thursday 4. 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4, which is equal to 8 flowers. See here 1. After 1, see here 1 star I have drawn. For 1 I have drawn 1 star. Next what is the number? 3. 1, 2, 3. For 3 I have drawn 3 stars. Next there is 0. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For each and every number I have drawn stars. Count how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 stars are there. So 8 flowers. The total number of flowers is 8 flowers. We can add more than 2 numbers. We can put numbers together and get a new number that is bigger. We can add more than 2 numbers. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there children. We can add more than 2 numbers. Underline this word. More than 2 numbers. We can add more than 2 numbers. We can put numbers together. See here 1 plus 3 we are putting together. And 3 plus 0 we are putting together. And 0 plus 4 we are putting together. Totally we will get one big number, that is 8. That is bigger. Everyone take your pencil and underline this children. We can add more than 2 numbers. We can put numbers together and get a new number that is bigger. When we are adding 2 or 3 numbers, we can get one number, no, that is a bigger number, isn't it? See here 1304. By comparing this, the total number 8. It is bigger or not? Yes, it is a bigger number. See here, for example, I have wrote some number 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1. We are adding 2 or more numbers. See here, first 2. I have drawn 2 circle. Next 0. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1. Totally count how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally how many circles are there? 7 circles, isn't it? When we are adding 2 or more numbers, the total number is a bigger number. This number is bigger, no? That's why they are saying that bigger number. Now you all understood, children? Okay, superb. See children, now everyone take next page, page number 46. Now we are going to see the activity 3.10, Think and Ink activity. What is the activity name? Think and Ink. Everyone keep your finger. Tinu and Meenu buy a few things from the shop. See here, Tinu and Meenu buy a few things from the shop. Tinu buys eraser 1, ruler 1, notebook 3. Eraser 1, ruler 1, notebook 3. I have drawn roughly, children. 1 eraser, 1 ruler, 3 notebook. Totally how many objects? Totally how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how many things are there? 5 things. Everyone take your pencil and write in this box number 5. 5 things only they have bought. Tinu bought 5 things. See here, Meenu. Meenu buys pencil 2, sharpener 1, notebook 1. See here, pencil 2, sharpener 1, notebook 1. Roughly I have drawn. Totally how many things? Shall we count now? Yeah, come children, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many things, children? 4. Here we want to write number 4. Everyone write along with me. 4. Okay, children? See, they have asked 2 questions. What is the total number of things bought by Tinu and Meenu? See here, total number of things we want to count. Tinu and Meenu, both of them, how many things they have bought in total we want to count and write. See here, Tinu's total 5. Meenu's total 4. Write here 5 plus 4 equal, totally Tinu's 5, Meenu's 4. 5 plus 4 after 5. Otherwise you can draw small objects. I have drawn circle and show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example and for easy way only I am drawing here some objects and counting, children. Okay. For your convenient only I am drawing some objects and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally how many things, children? 9 things. Everyone write here 5 plus 4 equal 9. Have you all wrote it? Okay, children, super. See down, one more question they have asked. What is the total number of notebooks bought by Tinu and Meenu? See here, notebook alone they have asked. Notebook. See here, third column having no. Third one, this is notebook. How many notebook for Tinu? 3. Here write number 3. Plus, how many notebook for Meenu? 1. 1 equal. You say the answer, children, like this. You can draw the circle and say the answer. I will give 2 minutes time for you all. Have you all completed? Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notebooks. For your convenient only, I am drawing some objects or things or circles, star. Like that I am drawing and counting, children. For your convenient only, I am doing like this. Okay, children? Do you all understood this? Okay, children. Superb. Let we meet in next session. The other activity and all we will see in next session, children. Bye.